everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. In this short video I wanted to talk about, yes, you guessed it, risk appetite. So the question that I usually get asked, and this seems to be some sort of fascination, I think unhealthy fascination within the risk management community, how specific, how detailed, how sophisticated our risk quantification models should be. And my answer to this is always the same. It is a subject of your shareholders, or should we say stakeholders, risk appetite. Because sometimes a regulator prescribes the level of sophistication, the level of accuracy that your model should produce. Your model should be accurate 99% of the time, or 97% of the time, or sometimes 99.7% of the time. And sometimes there is no regulator, so there is no requirement for any specific level of accuracy. And then it is a matter of discussion with your shareholders, with the board, with the audit committee maybe. And based on what they say, that will drive your risk management effort, because it's actually really easy to build a risk management model which is accurate 80% of the time. It is slightly more difficult to build a risk management model that is accurate 90% of the time. It is more difficult to build a model that is accurate 95% of the time. It is almost impossible building a model that is 99% of the time. And the amount of effort goes exponentially. So if you need maybe one person to build a model that is accurate 80% of the time, you probably need 10 people to build a model that is accurate 99% of the time. So there's a very direct correlation between the confidence interval, which is basically how confident does the board want the management to be when they're making decisions under uncertainty, and the resources dedicated to risk management. That's why, for example, when the regulator prescribed very high levels of accuracy for the banking and insurance sector, and more so for the banking and insurance sector, the risk management teams within the banking sector are usually 10, sometimes 100 times more than they are in the corporate world. So that is a very important discussion to have eventually with your board members. How accurate, how confident do they want to be in the assumptions, in the conclusions, in the business plans that are presented to them? And they have to be realistic, because if they say we want to be 100% confident, well, that's impossible because we're talking about future. But if they say we want to be 99.9% confident, then you have to say fine, but you need to give us the resources and the authority to do that. And that means literally hundreds of risk managers, quants, doing the work to get that level of accuracy. For most decisions, this actually makes no sense. They have to come to a slow realization that actually some decisions are fine at 80%, some decisions are fine at 90%, and some decisions should be done at 95%. But then once you kind of start going above 95, you should seriously question the cost-benefit analysis of doing so. So I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like if you found this video useful, and write and ask questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the following videos.